All right. So we just finished it. David is get dressed. Let's stand up. Again, feet together. We want to reassess what the hell we did. We did something good for him or not. So go ahead, turn to the right. Yay. Now towards me. It's a little bit better, but what about extension? Go look up. Wow, extension is better. I can see we get this little bit 10 degrees. Now tuck your chin, tuck your chin. And this one is still limited. Is any pain?
No.
Okay, that's good. And do you feel more loosened up?
Yeah, it feels a lot looser.
Great. So now we're going to turn towards me. And what we're doing here, David is going to move his tongue around the lips like this, and I'm going to move the pen up and down, and he's going to follow with his eye. So we're going to clean that codes, because human as a car have a code, so we have to be by the codes. Okay, so move it out. Don't move your head, only your eyes. Move your tongue in all different directions. Now release that tongue and look just with your eyes, left and right. And tell me which way is going a little like difficult you feel? To the left or to the right?
Maybe to the left.
Left, okay. And he's got more limitation to the left. So he's left, so we're going to work. Now go ahead, close your right eye with your hands. I want that with the hand. And look at that. Close and away. And close the other eye. That's so cool. It's better than computer games. You just control some human eye. You can polish this guy. You calibrate him. And release. Okay, go ahead. Turn back again towards the camera, and I want you to rotate to the left. Is that better? Is there any changes? No? Don't be shy.
I don't know. It feels good.
It's feel good?
Yeah, doesn't it? Is it further?
No, a little bit, but it doesn't like change like a lot, but that's fine. Just make sure it's what about to the right? Does that maybe help to the right? Yeah, definitely is work for the right, but to the left it's still limited. But maybe that's the high shoulder. Try to rotate again to the left. It's more limited when I push it down. Let's see if I push this up, rotate. Okay, there we go. Try to rotate this way now. Is that easier?
I see.
Release it, shoulder, turn. Now I push on the shoulder. You feel different?
It's harder if I turn.
It's harder. Yeah, of course I put that fascia in the stretch. What about now? Look at that.
It feels easier.
Yes. So you see that shoulder is related to this neck rotation. So this is a lot of and like another stuff you can work. So he can shrug that shoulder, rotate. We can give him bands exercise because, like I said, the whole thing is related. It could be the ankle problem. The way you're walking could be related to the neck because it's compensation. The spine get compensated, the hips compensated, and that's the key. This is the future of massage therapy. Identify the issue, treat it, and try to help people. Try to stop people suffer from this non-turning and non-range of motion. You guys have a wonderful day. You want to add something?
Yeah, there's a lot of different areas in the soft tissue, the muscles that are for neck and shoulder. They're all linked up. So neck problems and shoulder problems, they go together. So when you have a neck problem, you have to look at the neck and the shoulder. And shoulder problems you're going to look at your neck, your shoulder, the thoracic, and we do that here.
Start take care of yourself. Start to learn about yourself. Not just like, oh, my neck is hurt. Okay, how long your neck has been in pain? Oh, 10 years. 10 years in pain, you never learn anything. You never go, oh, I go massage and it's help. It's not helping because you're not rotated. And people call and they say, oh, I don't know, is you too far, or it's $100, and you just like, oh, okay. So if the $100 is worse at your neck, or that's just keep suffering, keep being in this pain. But the mission is start take care of yourself, upgrade yourself, and keep moving without the pain. Because pain, you live in pain. It's not the life you want to live. Have a good day, guys.
All right.
Take care of your neck. Bye-bye.
Bye.